Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Facebook friend request problem. To know how to fix or how to solve Facebook friend request problem, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Facebook here, and you will enter here. Then in this page you will go to click force stop. After that you will go to click storage. Then in this page you will go to click clear cache, and here you will go to click clear data, and after all that you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.